Today we have a very special unboxing. Yes, we're using a pink Benchmade. A very good knife. Super sharp too. We just got it from Amazon today. Voila! We got the Samsung Jet 75 series cordless stick vacuum. And there's the goodies. You got your owner's manual. Nobody reads those, right? The main unit there. Pretty neat looking. The neck attachment. And this really neat brush attachment. It'll be good for detailing the cars or doing drapes. The charging stand. And it's my understanding that you can mount this to the wall, and we will do that. Got that. The charger, and we're going to put it into a surge protector. I don't see the third pin there. The battery. One of the heads. It's got a neat little brush on it. One of my favorite attachments. You can extend this to get into deep crevices. And ours came with 3 heads. We got 3 complete. There's this puppy. This is the Turbo Action Brush. Also got this, and that's why we got it. This is for hardwood floors. It's really soft. And this is the soft action brush.
So we decided to hang the vacuum up right here, and it took 2 hours to charge it.
2 hours to charge that thing, you guys. That's crazy. All right, pull it down and let's give it a whirl. Do the hallway.
Okay.
Tell me what you think.
All right. Very smooth. Wow.
What do you think, Pat? Is it picking up pretty good?
Yeah.
It's hard to tell because we keep our house pretty darn clean, but
Yeah. It works really good.
go play outside, Pat. We're going to do it on full blast. Picking up pretty good. Pick that up pretty fair. All right, I like it a lot. What do you think of your new vacuum?
I love it.
All right. And you guys can see we got a basket of clothes, a dog bed, and my car ramps that we're going to take to storage. But the floor is now clean. And this vacuum is pretty sweet. It's a shame it costs $500 though. And it takes 2 hours to charge. That's ridiculous. But it came with a lot of attachments, and gotta have a vacuum these days, right? Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.